morning, Fox Pack. Welcome back to the Fox Den and welcome to another acid tree. Have the freshly installed Corsa Sport catback, the double X pipe with the touring mufflers and off-road long tubes. We're going to see how it sounds. So this is a brand new exhaust. It's going to have to break in. We're also still on the old tune, so the car's not running as well as it could, so we can't go too crazy with it, but I am going to get it tuned, hopefully starting this week. Listen to this thing, man. We will have a better ghost cam, more power, of course, and yeah, so we can't go too crazy because we're still on a tune that's meant for a G2 blower, stock headers. We have a G3 blower and off-road long tubes now, and the fuel pump upgrade, which before we only had a voltage booster. So setting off. So we're in normal drive mode. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be super bad, like even just normal driving. It's not. Even with the off-road long tubes, it's still quieter than the Corsa Extreme I had with the on-road long tubes. Oh, for Christ's sake, it has no cats, okay? Let me just admit, it has no cats, if that wasn't already obvious, okay? I don't even need to try to cover that up anymore, all right? We also removed all the soundproofing in the back, and the bottom of the rear seat is removed, so we're getting a lot more exhaust noise. All right, we'll go in the party mode here, switch it over to the manual. And as with any Corsa exhaust, there's no drone. Oh my God, dude. So, you know, it has a little bit of rasp down low. I was fully expecting it, as long as it's not there when I'm driving normal, which it's not, so that's great. And also keep in mind, I'm gonna say this a million times, it's a brand new exhaust. The mufflers are packed because they're the touring mufflers. They need to break in, so it's going to sound even better once I put some miles on this thing. I wonder if those pots will still be there when we get the retune. So we'll do like a baby pool, but I'm not gonna go crazy because it's like 100 degrees out and the tune is wrong. Baby, holy crap, it sounds awesome. And it's not crazy loud either. Like, I mean, it's loud, but it's not like insane. It'll probably get louder if it breaks in. Let's get you guys a little windows up clip. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh, that's great. The car does not like this tune at all. But we're gonna fix that. Yeah, cruising around, it's completely normal. That's sick, dude. And now it's quiet. That's what's great about Corsa. It's just, if you need it to be quiet, it will be quiet. Crazy how quiet you can be. Inlet air temp's only 95 degrees. It's like 92 right now. I thought it would be really high. Not really pushing the car a ton, but thing I've always loved about the Corsas is you get this really low bass when you're idling, just going through the car. It is so hot today, but I will take it over winter any day of the week. We got more videos on the CB550 coming. I just have not had time to ride, and it's also been raining constantly, or it's just hot like this. Dude, it's insane. It's not Corsa Extreme insane, which is good, but it screams. And let me tell you, what you're hearing on video is not what it sounds like in person. I guarantee it. Dude, it's so hard not to rev it out. It eggs you on because you just want to hear it. It's insane. It's an addictive sound. You know, and I could have went with the A41 headers, and you know, that would have sounded even crazier at high RPM, but down low with a 10 speed anyway, it just doesn't sound good. It sounds like a V6, whereas this down low, it sounds exotic, but it has a muscular tone. It's not, you know, it sounds like a V8. I am so tempted to just rip this thing, but I just can't, guys. I have to get the tune. The tune is just way off. I have to get the tune. Once we get the tune, I promise we're gonna rip this thing around, get plenty of POV videos because you guys love it. And this is why I left the front tires on with the drag pack right here. Oh! Oh my God, dude. My voice crack is so cringy. Dude, it's insane. Even with the drag pack and the Mach 1 front wheels, and you know, I know it's not very visually appealing. That's part of the reason I left those wheels on, because you can still take the corners. I mean, it's not as good as if you had the Mach 1 rear wheels, but you can still take corners if you need to. I'm in love. And dude, it's just gonna sound even better once it's tuned. The new ghost cam, the mufflers break in a bit. The amount of hate Corsa gets, it's too much. The extremes with catless headers, yeah, I understand that. Like, that's too much. Dude, you got catless headers, excuse me, and you want that Corsa sound, get the Sport Catback with the touring mufflers. It's very confusing. The Sport Catback has the touring mufflers, but if you want just the touring mufflers, they're called the touring mufflers. I don't know why, but there's some information. If you want to get this, if you're going to get the full catback, make sure you get the Sport Catback. For me, the H-pipe just isn't it for me. Don't get me wrong, it sounds awesome down low, but when you take it to higher RPMs, something's missing. And that's fine if you like the H-pipe. Like, I don't blame you one bit. It sounds godly down low, but I just love that scream you get up top, that smoother, higher pitched tone. This thing sounds unbelievable. The downshifts are a bit sluggish because the tune is way off. And I asked Wengard, hey, you're gonna do the transmission logic too? Like, is that part of the tune? And he says, yeah. So it'll be shifting better. But yeah, guys, that's the Corsa Sport Catback. I didn't film the install because we already have an exhaust installation on the channel, and I gotta go to work as usual, and I just wanted to get this done. But I figured get you guys the sound clips, and here we are. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. This Mustang's about to be insane. It's getting more insane. We got the Winger tune. I am going to buy it today. And we are going to get started with tuning hopefully this week. And then tune through next week. However, it might take some time because of course it's gonna be raining next week, so we're gonna have to see, but we will get it done. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fox Pack today, hit the bell notifications to be notified when we do something stupid. Follow us on Instagram at GrabberFox Offroad and GrabberFox50. Follow us on TikTok at GrabberFox Offroad as well. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's illegal if you get caught. Stay foxy.